foot. It's a fuzzy microphone. I can put it like here, right? Put it later. Also got the battery. There's one more thing that I... Come here. Come here. I'm sorry. So I also got this vlogger kit. There's a stabilizer and the memory card. Oh, memory card, and this is the stabilizer. So they give us the bag too and instructions. Open this and put, there you go. So this is the memory card. There you go. Just like that. Put this puffy microphone, slide it in here. Just like that. He's looking good. And let's try. Ooh. Gonna turn it on. Right here. Let's push and turn on. Let's go to the menu. I don't know if I want to change it to Japanese or English. I'm just gonna stay with English right now. So to take pictures, you push this. And to start filming, you push this red one. And it's dying, so I better go charge. So I just put the batteries in the tripod. So we're gonna try to put this camera on here. There is a thingy. You just got it. And then I spin. Look at that. So there are three. The first one is for microphone. The second one is for charging, which is this one. You just plug and then you can charge. And the last one is for HDMI. Just gonna close all these. Good. To change the angle, you can push here. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. You can loose here and you push here after you loosen, and then you just kind of like this to change the angle.